In this guide, I'll show you how to fix crashing or freezing in Modern Warfare 3 or Warzone on PS4. So the first thing you want to do is press and hold the PlayStation button on your controller and close the application. Now, once you've done this, it's going to ask you if you want to close it and confirm. And once it's fully closed, press the start button over Call of Duty and you want to go to check for update. Now, if you've got the latest version installed, that's great. The next thing we're going to do is scroll up and select settings. And then you want to scroll down and look for System Software Update. Now, you want to see if there's a System Software Update for PS4. And if it's up to date, that's great. Let's go on to the next step. Now, what you want to do is actually press and hold the PlayStation button on your controller. And you want to fully turn off your console and unplug the power cable from the back for about 60 seconds. This is going to clear the cache, and it's also a power cycle. Then try and boot up your game and see if it fixes your issue. Now, if it's still not working at this point, I'd recommend checking out the COD servers to see if that's the problem. And if everything's running smoothly on their end, then at this point, I'd press the start button on Call of Duty and delete it and try and reinstall it and see if that fixes your issue. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.